How to fix lossless audio not showing on Spotify. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step method to enable and fix the lossless audio feature on Spotify. Many users cannot find or activate this lossless audio / HiFi method even after the latest Spotify update. But don't worry, this guide will help you fix it instantly. Now, steps to try. Now, step 1, confirm you are on Spotify paid premium plan like this. Click here. And here, subscribe for the premium plan. Because lossless audio is only for premium accounts. Step 2, update the Spotify app to the latest version. Here, like this. Open your Apple Store or your Google Play Store like this. Here, type on search. Now here, tap on the search bar like this. Now here, search for Spotify like this. And here, click on search. Here you can see. Now here, update it to the latest version. If you are using the older version, the feature may be hindered or unsupported. Now here, make sure it's updated like this. You can see I'm updating my own. Step 3, check region support. See whether if your country is among the initial rural regions. If not, you may have to wait. Step 4, enable lossless in media and audio quality settings. Here like this. Open your Spotify first and then click on this profile icon here on the top side here. And here what you do now is to tap on settings and privacy like this. Now here what you do now is to slide down. Now here tap on media quality here like this. Now here under here you can see it under streaming and download here. Under here, click on it and select it here. Spotify confirmed that you must manually enable it per device, means you must select it per device. Step 5, repeat it on each device. Setting does not transfer automatically, so you must select it manually per device. Step 6, use a wire or higher bandwidth connection, non-Bluetooth, when possible. Because Bluetooth often cannot carry full wireless data, so Spotify recommend Wi-Fi, wired or via Spotify Connect. Step 7, play cache, log out and restore the app. Here, sometimes the old app data interferes with the new feature, so it will show the new features. Step 8, check your audio output DAC hardware. If your device does not support FLAC or the needed byte rate, the option might be disabled. Check if your device or DAC byte rate is in this range of the picture on the screen. You can pause to check it. Now step 9, wait and be patient. Why I said it because the rollout is gradually, even fulfilling all the conditions might not be immediately showing option. So be patient and wait for it to show up in your region. Try these steps and be patient because this is just a new feature coming in Spotify. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.